In this video, we'll be going over the subscription models in HeyGen's framework, and we'll focus on the main features that come along with caveats, where you may end up spending more money than you have to. What we won't focus on are more detailed features, or things that are already obvious. We hope you enjoy this tutorial and find the right HeyGen package for yourself. Let's take a look at HeyGen's pricing plan page, which does not mention about generative credit limitations on premium features that are on by default. I wasn't able to find a page on generative credits, but if you ask support, they may let you know. In the creator plan for $29 per month, you get unlimited videos, each that can be up to 30 minutes long. However, if you want to create more premium videos, known as the Avatar 4 video creation, you will be limited by generative credits. Again, I want to mention that the Avatar 4 engine is generally on by default. In the free plan, you will not get any generative credits, but in the creator and team plan, you get 200 generative credits in each plan. Generative credits allow you to use more premium features, such as the Avatar 4 video engine. Let's navigate to a pop-up that shows generative credits and look at some of the premium features you can use with these credits. As you can see, here are all the generative credit costs per premium feature. The Avatar 4 engine will give 1 minute for every 20 credits, meaning that 200 generative credits will give you 10 minutes of Avatar 4 video. Video Agent is a feature that allows you to create a video without choosing an avatar. With Add Motion, after you upload or create a photo from the AI prompt in HeyGen, HeyGen gives you an option of adding motion to it for 10 credits. The Upscale Video feature allows you to add 4K resolution quality to your video, but can only be used with avatars that were intended for 4K resolution. Some of these costs will become more apparent to you, depending on what features you use. However, most of the costs come from the Avatar 4 video engine from my experience. Let's also demonstrate the difference in quality between a video created without the Avatar 4 engine and with the Avatar 4 engine on.
Hi, my name is Pamela. I am a fictional character from the HeyGen framework. My video was created without Avatar 4 engine, which means no generational credits were used. Hi, here's Pamela again. This video was created using the Avatar 4 engine, so should be higher quality than the last video with me. Did you notice the difference in quality?
In conclusion, the video did look better in the video processed with the Avatar 4 engine, as Pamela's head did not make any jerky actions. However, I didn't see much difference in the quality and lip sync. If you did, please mention in the comments below. Let's now demonstrate how to turn off the Avatar 4 engine off when creating a video, which is generally on by default. In the Creator plan, it also mentions that you get 1 custom video avatar, 1 custom interactive avatar, and 700 plus stock avatars, as well as unlimited photo avatars. Let's scroll down to see photo avatars usage limits, according to their plans. In my experience, this is the avatar type that has been used the most. Let's go over all the different avatars that you can use. The custom video avatar is an avatar that was created through a video. This avatar is generally a clone avatar of yourself, but can be another person as long as you get their permission to use them. The photo avatar is an avatar like myself that was created through a photo. HeyGen also allows you to create the photo through an AI prompt, as well as uploaded photo from your computer. From HeyGen's homepage screen, if you click on Avatars, you have the options to create with a video avatar, generally of yourself, or a photo avatar, like myself. An interactive avatar is a special type of avatar that you can actually have a conversation through text or voice prompts. Let's go to the interactive avatar screen to show you exactly what it is and interact with a pre-made avatar.
Hi, I'm Judy, and I'm thrilled to welcome you to the HeyGen family. We're all about making visual storytelling accessible to everyone. Let's embrace our... Hi, I'm doing well, thank you for asking. I'm so excited to have you here at HeyGen. Let's get started with a quick compliance training to ensure we're all on the same page. Ready?
Stock avatars are pre-made avatars provided by the HeyGen framework, which often come along with different looks as well.
Welcome to the new era of video creation with HeyGen. Simply type your script to get started.
Back to the main pricing plan page. Under Teams, you will see a term called Seats. This indicates how many people are allowed to use your subscription. Let's show you how to navigate to the Add Ons page. These give you more access to premium features in the HeyGen framework. With add-ons, you can add on extra features to your subscription plan, such as extra generative credits with the Generative Credit Pack. Priority Processing Pack allows you to decrease the load time when making videos. A 10-minute video can take around 12 to 35 minutes to generate. However, in my tutorials, videos on HeyGen, much of the waiting time was skipped over. The video avatar and interactive avatar are both pretty self-explanatory, which give you extra avatar types to use. Note that once you add an add-on, by default it will be added to your next monthly subscription. You can contact support to get it removed on your next month's billing date, or to shut it off, follow these steps. There is also an API pricing plans page, which is beyond the scope of this tutorial. API stands for Application Programming Interface, and this plan is more if you're a software developer and you wanted to create a service for people, or perhaps you just want to create talking avatar videos with code. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tutorial. Please like, subscribe, comment, and feel free to use the free HeyGen sign-up link in description of the video below.